Are you ready to upgrade your PC cooling game for 2024? Today we're diving into the top 7 CPU coolers, covering both air and all-in-one liquid cooling options. These aren't just any coolers, they're the absolute best the market has to offer this year. Stick around because we'll be comparing their features, strengths, and even their quirks so you can find the perfect fit for your build. First on the list is the Corsair Titan, a beast of an AIO cooler that's all about performance and aesthetics. This 360mm cooler features Corsair's new RX120 RGB fans, designed to deliver high airflow with minimal noise. The radiator is paired with a powerful 3-phase pump motor that's engineered for efficiency and reliability. But what sets it apart is the iCUE Link system. Instead of a mess of cables, it uses a single connection for power, RGB, and fan control. Talk about a clean build. And of course, the pump head features 20 customizable LEDs, making it the centerpiece of any RGB setup. The downsides? The pump's magnetic cap can feel a little flimsy during installation, and you'll need Corsair software for full control, which might not be everyone's favorite. But if you're already in the Corsair ecosystem or you just want top-notch cooling with a clean aesthetic, this one's hard to beat. Be sure to check out the Amazon links in the description below for more details on these amazing products. Thermaltake is bringing serious bling and performance with the V2 Ultra. This 360mm AIO cooler isn't just about keeping your CPU cool, it's a full-on centerpiece for your build. The pump features a 2.1-inch LCD screen that can display system stats, custom images, or even animations. It's perfect for flexing your creativity. The cooling performance is impressive thanks to 3 high static pressure fans and a slim yet efficient radiator design. It's also fully compatible with popular RGB ecosystems like Asus Aura Sync and MSI Mystic Light, so it'll fit right into your setup. The catch? The LCD screen relies on Thermaltake software, which adds another layer of complexity. And you'll need to make sure your case can accommodate the large radiator. But if you love flashy builds and want a solid cooling to boot, this one's for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech review tips. Let's talk about the MasterLiquid Atmos. Cooler Master is known for reliability, and the Atmos delivers just that with some unique features to boot. It has a 360mm radiator paired with the sickle flow edge fans, which focus airflow for maximum cooling efficiency. What makes this cooler stand out is the customizable pump cover. You can literally 3D print your own designs to personalize your build, which is such a cool touch. And the addressable Gen 2 RGB lighting adds a modern aesthetic to your rig. Now, the downside, installation can be a bit tricky, especially if you're new to AIOs. Plus, the 3D printing feature is only useful if you have access to the equipment. Still, the Atmos is a reliable and innovative option, perfect for anyone looking for a balance of performance and style. What do you think about these coolers? Drop a comment below and let us know what you'd go for. Switching gears to air cooling, we've got the Corsair A115. This bad boy features 6 heat pipes and 2 140mm fans, which deliver great airflow while staying quiet. The slide-and lock fan mount system is a standout feature, letting you easily adjust the fan height for better RAM compatibility. It's also built like a tank, and Corsair backs it with a 5-year warranty for peace of mind. On the flip side, its large size means you'll have to double check your case dimensions, and the setup can be a bit more complicated than traditional coolers. But for robust performance and thoughtful design, the A115 is a great pick. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button to support the channel. Next up, let's talk about Noctua D12L. This is for those who want premium air cooling without sacrificing space. It's only 145mm tall, which is surprisingly compact for a dual tower cooler. That means it's perfect for smaller cases like 4U rack mounts or narrower towers where bigger coolers just won't fit. Despite its small size, this cooler punches well above its weight class. It uses Noctua's legendary fan, which is whisper quiet and highly efficient. The asymmetrical design also means it won't block your RAM slots, giving you maximum compatibility. On the flip side, it's not as affordable as other air coolers, and it might not be the best choice for extreme overclocking. But if you're tight on space and want something sleek, reliable, and quiet, this cooler is a fantastic choice. Thermaltake makes another appearance with the Astria 600. The dual tower air coolers combines functionality with a serious style. It has 6 heat pipes and 2 120 ARGB fans, giving it excellent cooling performance up to 265 watts (TDP). And with 54 customizable LEDs, this cooler will shine in any build. However, it's a tall cooler at 160mm, so make sure your case can handle the height. You'll also need a motherboard with a 5V RGB header to unlock the full lighting features. If you're all about RGB and cooling power, this is a solid choice. Last but definitely not least, we've got the Be Quiet Dark Rock 5. True to its name, this cooler is designed to keep your system quiet while delivering excellent cooling. It features 6 heat pipes and a 120mm Silent Wings 4 fan that runs at just 2,100 RPM, ensuring whisper quiet operation. Its sleek black design and asymmetrical layout mean it'll fit nicely in most builds without blocking RAM or other components. However, it's not the best for extreme overclocking, and while installation is straightforward for experienced builders, beginners might need some extra patience. If quiet operation and sleek design are your priorities, the Dark Rock 5 is a fantastic choice. So there you have it, our top 7 CPU coolers for 2024. From the RGB-packed Thermaltake options to the compact yet powerful Be Quiet, there's something here for every builder. Whether you're chasing high performance, eye-catching aesthetics, or a whisper quiet system, one of these coolers is sure to fit the bill. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more details on each product. Smash that like button, subscribe for more PC hardware reviews, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy building!